morning, viewers at home. This is Mathematics with Dr.O.J. In this video, we shall look at application of factorization in exponential equation. Kindly click the subscribe button below the video and the notification bell so that each time I upload new video, you'll be notified. Example: solve the equation 5 raised by 2x plus 1 minus 26 into bracket 5 raised by x plus 5 is equals to 0. This is an exponential equation because it has exponents. The exponents here is 2x plus 1 and here is x. So it looks like an indicial equation. Invariably, exponential equation is a transformation of indicial equation. So how do we solve this? If we look at this equation, we observe clearly that one of the exponents there, 5 raised by x, can be factored out from 5 raised by 2x plus 1. So that means 5 raised by x is common. How? Okay. Now, 5 raised by 2x plus 1 is written as 5 raised by 2x dot 5 raised by 1. Yes, remember, in the law of indices, this will be 5 raised by 2x because we are multiplying. Dot there means multiplication. 2x plus 1. So we have changed 5 raised by 2x plus 1 into 5 raised by 2x multiplied by 5 raised by 1. Then minus 26 raised by, reduced into 5 raised by x, then plus 5 is equals to 0. So here we can write this as 5 raised by x raised by 2. If we open this 5 raised by 2x, if we open it up, it could be 5 raised by x in the bracket 2. S times 2 is 2x. Dot 5 raised by 1 minus 26 into 5 raised by x plus 5 is equals to 0. So in this case, we can have 5 into 5 raised by x dot 2. Yes, but we are multiplying this 5 into this. So minus 26 into 5 raised by x plus 5 is equals to 0. So obviously now, this is 5 raised by x. Obviously now 5 raised by x is common. So we can now say let a be equals to 5 raised by x. Yes, let's just pick a number to represent 5 raised by x. So that will be 5a squared minus 26 into a, because 5 raised by x is now a, plus 5 is equal to 0. So clearly, this has led us to what? Quadratic equation. So what do? We multiply this by this. We have 25a squared. So we look for the factors of 25, that is plus 25a squared, which will give us minus 26a when we add them together. We could pick minus 25a minus a. You check it out. You check. So 5a squared minus 25a minus a plus 5 is equal to 0. So what is common there? 5a is common. Dividing 5a squared by 5a, you have a left. Then minus, dividing 25a by 5a, you have 5. Then minus, what is common between a and plus 5? You have 1. So dividing a by minus 1, then minus a by minus 1, that's a. Then divide plus 5 by minus 1, that is minus 5, is equals to 0. So pick what? 5a minus 1, the one outside, and we pick one of the ones in the brackets. That is equals to 0. So with that, we have 5a minus 1 into a minus 5 is equals to 0. So 5a minus 1 is equals to 0, or a minus 5 is equals to 0. So 5a here will be equals to 1. By the time it goes here, a will be equals to 1 over 5. Here a will be what? Minus 5 to the other side becomes plus 5. So you can write this one as a is equals to 5 raised by minus 1 because it's an integral equation, and or a is equals to 5 raised by 1. Now we recall that our a is assumed to be 5 raised by x. So we can now go back by saying for a is equals to 5 raised by minus 1, then 5 raised by x is equals to 5 raised by minus 1. So with that, 5 will cancel 5, so we have x equals to minus 1 there. Because x is the unknown in the equation, not a. We only assume a. So now for a is equals to 5 raised by 1, that is 5 raised by 1 is equals to what? 5 raised by x. So x is equals to 1. Therefore, our x is equal to, x is equals to minus 1 or 1. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button after the video. God bless you.